Welcome to Vegan Tune-Up Cafe. I am Chef Sandy. I hope that the recipes I share on my channel will help you on your journey to your healthy lifestyle. Welcome to Vegan Tune-Up Cafe. I am Chef Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, healthy Apple Nutty Crunch. Using apples, of course. I have already chopped my apples and I have them in the bowl. And these are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm using chopped walnuts. I'm using unsweetened shredded coconuts. I'm using dried cranberries. And I'm using maple syrup. These are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm adding my dried cranberries. This is 3 tablespoons of dried cranberries. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of shredded coconuts. And now I'm going to add my chopped walnuts. So I'm throwing my chopped walnuts in. And as you can see, right now, all the ingredients are in. So I am going to take my spatula and mix everything together so that it's properly combined before I throw in the maple syrup, because the maple syrup is going to bind everything together. So I have mixed the ingredients together with the apples, and now I am going to pour the maple syrup in. So I'm pouring the maple syrup all over into the bowl. Beautiful colors. And now I'm going to mix again together, and the maple syrup is going to bind the apples together with the chopped walnuts and the dried cranberries and also the shredded coconut. Beautiful colors, delicious tasting. And there we have it, as simple as that. So it's very versatile. You can make it and use it for breakfast and also for dessert and as a snack. And it's simple and easy to make. I hope you will try it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information on my sensational vegan recipes cookbook, visit my website at vegantuneupcafe.com.